Microsoft Loop is a collaborative tool designed to facilitate project management through dynamic, real-time collaboration. Here's how to use Microsoft Loop effectively for project management. Create a new Loop workspace. Open Microsoft Loop. Start by opening Microsoft Loop from your Microsoft 365 suite. Create workspace. Click on New Workspace to set up a dedicated area for your project. Name the workspace relevant to your project. Add pages and components. Add pages. Within the workspace, create pages to organize different aspects of the project, such as planning, tasks, and notes. Insert components. Use components like text blocks, to-do lists, tables, and task lists to capture project details. Click on Add Component and choose the type you need. Collaborate in real time. Invite team members. Share the workspace with team members by clicking Share and adding their email addresses. They can collaborate in real time, making updates and contributing content. Track tasks and progress. Use to-do lists. Create to-do lists and assign tasks to team members. Track progress by checking off completed items and updating status. Monitor changes. View changes and updates made by team members in real time to stay aligned with project developments. Integrate with other tools. Link with Microsoft 365. Integrate Loop with other Microsoft tools like Teams and Outlook to streamline communication and task management.